Hey, it's Miss Gilbert. My hair looks crazy, but we're going to go over Touchmath money today. In order to do Touchmath money, you have to be able to count by fives. So we're going to count by fives to 100. So we'll say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. When we get to 100, we have $1. So we will work with the dollars later. Today we're just going to work on the coins. So first coin we're going to work on is a nickel. This is a nickel. A nickel. If you see, it has one touch point. Every time you see a touch point with money, you count by fives. So we have one touch point. So that is 5. The touch point goes in the middle. 5. The next one we're going to look at is the dime. This is a dime. A dime has 2 touch points. So we would count it 5, 10. A dime is worth 10 cents. So we would go 5, 10. And the other one we're going to look at here is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So when we count a quarter, we have 5 touch points on the quarter. So we would say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we go down, make it a cross, but do not count the middle one twice. You only count the middle one time. So we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. With a penny is worth 1 cent. A penny has no touch points on it at all. You can draw a line under it if you want to, or just leave it alone. No touch points on a penny. So let's review this. A nickel has 1 touch point. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So we say 5. A dime has 2 touch points. 2. A dime is worth 10 cents. 5, 10. A quarter has 5 touch points. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So we're going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What happens is you will get to the point where you can add these coins together. Let me show you one for example. I'm going to add a dime, which is 10 cents, and a nickel, which is 5 cents. You can do any of the coins together and it would work. Let me show you. We have a nickel and a dime. My dime fell off. It's easy if you start with a larger number. So for this, I would start with the dime and then move to the nickel because it's easier that way. We would start with counting each touch point. We would say 5, 10, 15, and move to the next one. We don't stop when we get to the end of this coin. We continue with that number. 5, 10, 15. That is 15 cents. If I added it together with another another nickel, we would do this with a quarter. We would do the same thing. Sorry, my tape keeps falling off. And again, I would start with a larger number, the coin that has the largest amount. So for a quarter and a nickel, I would start with a quarter and then go to the nickel. You can do it whichever way you think is best. I just like that way. So I would say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That is 30 cents. When we've got this down, we can move to counting by tens, but we're just going to stay with the fives now. If I was to add a nickel with the penny, I will show you how you would do that. It is harder, a little harder to do, but you can do it. So I would start with the bigger value, 5. 5, when you see the penny, you go 5, stop. And then you're going to go by 1. So you go 5, stop, 1, 5, 6. 5, 6. So when you see the penny, it's a stop. Don't count by fives, count by ones. So we will practice. That is why we practice what number comes next, so that we can keep going. I've made you a Google slide activity to do where you will have your nickel, your dime, and your quarters, and you will put your own touch points on each one. At the end, you will add them up. I hope to see you soon. Bye.